Where do you actually do your best thinking these days? For a lot of marketeers, it's inside an AI chat, planning campaigns, drafting ideas, and working to a strategy. The only problem, your marketing data lives somewhere else. Well, not anymore. Today, we are showing you the newest version of ActiveCampaign Connector for Claude, so you can work wherever you already work and bring your business contacts with you. Less switching between tabs, sharper and more relevant output. Here's how it works. The connection is powered by ActiveCampaign's MCP server, a secure bridge that gives Claude direct permissioned access to your account. That means Claude isn't answering from generic knowledge, it's acting on what actually is happening in your business. Setting up takes about a minute, and it's available on all ActiveCampaign plans. You will need a paid Claude account, and if you are on a team, make sure your admin has approved new connections. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started.
In Claude, open Settings, select Connectors, and click on Browse Connectors, find ActiveCampaign, and click Connect. You will automatically be redirected to the authentication screen. Click Allow to approve the connection. That's it. Open a new chat and Active Intelligence is right there with you. Starting from the premise that we don't know what we don't know, why not ask Claude about the capabilities that you unlock once you connected your ActiveCampaign account to the software by simply prompting, "Hey Claude, now that I have connected my ActiveCampaign account, what can you do for me?" And here you can see how powerful this connection is. You'll be able to manage contacts, campaigns, CRM and deals, automations, leads and tags, custom objects, and reporting, all from one conversation. Now for the fun part, let's put it to work on real jobs. I will ask, how did my most recent VidCloud Storm campaign perform? In seconds, Claude pulls the full picture from my account, the overall campaign performance summary, including opens, click, and bounce rates. It also provides critical insights on how this email performed compared to earlier sends in the series. That's an analysis I would have to manually put together before, now delivered in one conversation. Job 2. Keep your data clean. Messy tags make for messy marketing, so I would say, create 3 tags in ActiveCampaign: new member, engaged member, and non-member. And done. All 3 tags are now live in my account, ready to power segmentation. And if I ask Claude, could also list my existing tags by category and flag near duplicates. Cleaner data, sharper targeting. Job 3. Creating a campaign. I'll ask Claude, create an email campaign announcing our new travel luggage collection. Use the atlascompany.shop for content. Apply my Atlas & Co brand kit. And watch what happens. Claude is researching my website and asking which ActiveCampaign account it should use. Claude pulls images straight from my ActiveCampaign Content Manager, applies my brand kit, and actually reads my website to write the copy. My product, my offer, my voice. It's not generating a generic email, it's generating my email. And in a few seconds, the campaign draft is available for us. A fully branded design campaign matching the brand kit of your business. And with one click, you can open ActiveCampaign's Designer for the final tweak. Want to alter the subject line? Do it manually or ask Active Intelligence to help you out in this. You can also go back to Claude itself and ask, can you edit the subject line and make it more urgent? And Claude itself will make the adjustments, also reflected in your ActiveCampaign account and saved as a draft, ready to review and ready to send. Job 4, and this is new, managing deals. Let's say I'm cleaning up my pipeline at the end of a productive day. I will ask, show me my top 20 open deals in the general pipeline. Claude pulls my top deals by value, displayed in the same view as how my deal shows up in ActiveCampaign. I had a great call with Acme in today, and I'm moving them to the quote review stage. And there it is. Claude lists my pipeline, moves the deal, and confirms it. Let's verify in ActiveCampaign. And yes, the deal is sitting in the right stage. Notice what just happened across those 4 jobs. I didn't build anything step by step. I set the goal and Active Intelligence handled the steps, grounded in my real data. That's the shift from doing your marketing to directing it.
And this is just the start. The more context you bring and the more of your stack you connect, the sharper and more relevant every output becomes. ActiveCampaign is becoming the intelligence layer you can reach wherever you work. So connect your accounts and try one of these features. And let us know what's the first thing you will direct. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any other questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.